What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys when is the right time to upgrade your free plan to a enterprise pro or even a paid plan. So I'm going to go ahead and compare Zoho and the HubSpot and the Freshsales CRM platforms because these both three are the CRM platforms and in terms of workflows, outbound and AI, if you are facing any sort of limitation in that, but you don't have, any fixed subjective numbers for the contacts, you should go with the fresh sales. Because for the free tier, you don't get to have the workflows, the AI, and the reporting in the fresh sales platform. So these are some of the basic core, USPs that you have to have in order to create a strong outbound structure. But in terms of marketing, and you want more contacts and all that stuff, because in the HubSpot you only get 1,000 contact limitation. So if you have like need for more than 1,000, you must upgrade it to a paid tier. Other than that, for the Zoho, if you want to, make it visually static, visually good, and you want to make because Zoho is strong in structure. Zoho has, sub apps and all that environment and all that integrations among its own apps. So Zoho has strong structure, but it lacks in terms of the visuals, in terms of the email templates and all that stuff. If you want to create that, you should upgrade it to the professional because you get automations and AI features in it. So which you can say that the USP for this paid starting plan is the email intelligence. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care.